Fight!
Yay! Wow! Wow! I won and got a prize! Yay!
Fight!
Yes, I made it! Wow! Yes, my present. I'm taking this home. Wow! Full mystery box! I'm choosing this and this, but I want this too. Hold on. How about these two are yours and these two are mine?
Okay.
I'm gonna open this one first. Oh yeah! Ooh la la. Let's open this one first.
Oh yeah!
Look, it has a puncher. It has a golden. It has Storm Strike sister.
Cool!
And it has a glow-in-the-dark training duty.
Hey!
This is a season 2. Let's open it. Yeah! He has an arm that can do this, so out fire and fire. And usually punches be like this, but he has a bandage.
Fight!
Phantom Lou, Cold Spike, Storm Strike Sister, and Training Duty. Wow, that's our new collection. It's my turn to open. Let's open it. Right? What? Mystery pie! His name is White Grass. Let's test him. Let's check what's inside. 2 plus cards. Let's train him first. Woo! Yes, he's ready.
3, 2, 1, go! Fight! Let's try!
Let's find out who's stronger. Season 1 chain weapon or Season 2 chain weapon? Let's do it. It's an epic fight.
Let's try!
Season 2 is way stronger. Now Season 2 fight.
Fight!